about to murk some serious like red eyeshadow looks. Like y'all don't even know. You don't even know. Hey Glamazonians, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I'm the Glamazon. So in today's video, I'm going to be comparing the Morphe 35O to the Morphe 35O2 palette. There's been a lot of buzz about Morphe 35O2, just as much buzz as there was about 35O. I remember when 35O came out, like you could barely like get it because it was sold out all the freaking time. But they recently, well pretty recently, I don't know how many months it's been, but like they released 35O2 and there's still like a lot of buzz around it. And I was really on the fence about getting it because I have 35O, so I was like, and I barely touch it, to be honest with you. So I was like, why do I need 35O2? One of my favorite beauty gurus, her name is Belle Jordan. She's amazing. I'll leave her channel link down below. But she, basically, I saw her using the palette and she was like, I've been using it nonstop. Like, I can't help but pick it up. And I was semi-convinced to buy it at that point, and then I got it in at my store, at my Ulta that I work at, and I got to see it like in person because sometimes I think seeing things online like just doesn't do it justice. Like you see things online and everybody's all hyped about it, and I'm like, I'm at a stage in my makeup life, where like I'm just not, I don't buy into hype. Like I don't get excited about new products launching the way I used to. Like something would come out and like I would be all over it. Whether it was drugstore or like high end, like I would be all about it. Like I would just automatically go out to the store and like try to buy it, or I would know what the launch date was and what time it launched and I would like buy it. But like these days I'm a little more low-key. I like to let things come out, you know, let other people buy them, see it, and then I try to go, you know, get it, review it myself, see it, whatever. So yeah, that's kind of what I was doing with this. I was seeing the pictures all over the place. People were going crazy about 35O2, and I was like, it's just red shadows. And then I saw it in person. I didn't get to swatch it yet, but I saw it in person, and I was like, girl, like, yes, like, okay, I need her. So then I went on the Morphe website and I ordered a palette straight from there. So I finally have it in. So if you want to see me compare the 35O to the 35O2, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the original Morphe 35O. It looks like this. She might be a little beat up in some places because I've had her for quite some time. So it's just basically like, you get a lot of oranges and then you get a lot of matte browns, which for someone like me, because a lot of my looks are like warm tones, is fabulous. But honestly, like I think I loved this palette for like maybe the first like month or so that I have it, but I honestly haven't used it in such a long time. Like I don't know, but I can tell you that I think I stopped using it because I thought it was kind of chalky and I didn't think it was as pigmented, and whenever I did looks with it, I felt like they would always come out kind of muddy and stuff. And like even as I'm doing it now, like I'm like swatching it, and I'm gonna be honest with you, like it's not really doing anything for me. Yeah, it's just, I guess like I got to the point where it was just like a bunch of brown shadow and I just didn't care about it anymore. It just didn't seem special or anything like that. I do really appreciate like these tones over here because I'm like really into orange. But yeah, like as they had the shimmer shades and like the golds and stuff, but like I just wasn't impressed, like basically, because like honestly this has been sitting in a drawer for quite some time just collecting dust. So finally in the mail I got my Morphe 35O2 palette. Just so excited. I literally haven't taken it out of the box or anything. I haven't even swatched it. Like the one that I saw, I didn't even get to swatch it. I just got to open it and see it. So this will be my first time touching it or seeing it or anything. And if I like the way that it feels, then I will obviously like do a tutorial or something with it. So it looks like this. I like this better than I like the big red M. I don't know, this looks better to me. So this is the difference between the 35O and the 35O2. They're literally the same exact size. This has like, you know, your info on the back, which is nice because like on the original 35O palette, like it just says 35O. That's it. So This is nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. And it has all the shade names on it. Like it has a little thing, it has all the shade names on it like this. I think I'm gonna like tape this like to the inside here or something, or maybe to the back so I can see it forever. But can we just, yes. I'm like way more excited about this than I was about this. Like, I don't know, like it's just like the browns seem more like warm. I mean, you have warm and ashy kind of browns in there and cool tones. This is what they look like side by side. And as you can see, like, okay, so this is 35O. I would definitely say the 35O is definitely cooler. And, I mean, there's some warm things in there, but it's definitely more, I don't know. I just feel like it's cooler than the 3502. 3502 is, like, extremely warm. Like, there's a few, like, ashy shades in there, but, like, it's definitely, like, a warm palette. So if you're like really into like warm eyeshadow looks, then this is definitely the palette for you. It's got plenty of like shimmers and warm matte browns and like burgundies too, which is awesome because like I'm a warm eyeshadow girl. Really excited about this one and this one. And there's like a true red in here. Yes. Okay, you guys don't know how hard it is to find a true red shadow. Like even today I was trying to do something red, and the red shadow I used, like, it was like burgundy. So, red shadow is a yes. And there's even like a shimmery red shadow. I'll actually swatch some of them for you. I'll swatch the ones I'm most excited about. And I love they all have like little names. Like, it's so cute. Yeah, I'm really, really excited. I will say though, I know people are gonna be like, how are you a real makeup lover if you say things like this, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I feel like two of the shades in here kind of look the same. Like they look like the same shade. I'm talking about this one and this one. Like, is that just me? Is that just me that this one and like this one kind of look the same? No? That's just me, I'm just crazy? Okay. I'm really excited to see how pigmented this one is because it's really hard to find a very like black like actual pigmented black shadow because usually they're just kind of like dusty and you don't get the full effect. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the colors I'm most excited about, and I'll even like tell you the names since I have like a little name sheet. So the first color I'm gonna swatch is called Fire. It's this one right here, and it feels good, looks very pigmented. Ooh, okay, this is one swipe. I'll do a better job on the next one. That looks so pretty. It's literally a true red for sure. This is two swipes. That's super red. It also feels very blendable, which is also good. The next one I'm swatching is called Ruby. That's awesome. Okay, so these shadows are extremely pigmented. Like, extremely pigmented. Ruby's right below it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this black to get it out of the way. It's called Whiz. It feels like butter. Like, seriously. And it's very, very black. Like, that's a black eyeshadow for sure. What I love about this is like I don't have some of these shades. I know like it's like how many browns can you own, but like I really don't have a lot of these shades. Like I've honestly been searching for like my perfect like terracotta like brown, you know, and like honestly that might be it. It's really, really awesome. Then you have like a burnt kind of like orange. You have an orange, which I love. Then you have your like burgundy kind of browns, and then you have true browns. Like, I'm really excited about this. So I'm actually gonna film a tutorial with this. I think my next video will be a tutorial with this. So if you want to see that, thumbs up this video if you want to see a tutorial with this palette, like just a one palette tutorial with just this one. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. Like, I'm really excited. I might do this tomorrow. I might film that tomorrow. Maybe. I'll let you know. Alright guys, so that was my Morphe 35O 3502 comparison video. And I guess unboxing, because I didn't unbox it here on camera. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Also, don't forget to like this video because that really helps me out. And also, if you want to see a tutorial using this palette, leave me a comment down below. And also leave me a comment down below if you want to see like anything else. I'm about to start pushing out Valentine's Day videos, so stay tuned for that as well. I think my next video is definitely going to be a tutorial using 3502. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.